This is what's going to happen when the end comes for Southern California. That's the San Andreas Fault right here. This is Southern California, and this is what's going to happen. Piece by piece. The jackhammer is the earthquake. The crack is the San Andreas Fault. And here we go. And here we go. Oh! Beachfront property right here.